going to Oceano Airport. See if we can camp for a couple days. Hey guys, it's July 5th. A very hot July 5th coming out of Southern California. Man, is it smoky as it always is the day after 4th of July. Coming out of the lower altitudes. It's well over 100 degrees. Very interesting that at 5,000 feet on our climb, a lethargic 200 feet a minute climb, it was still 100 degrees outside. And it wasn't until we started hitting 8,000 feet, we're at 8,500 now, that we started getting at a lower temperature. We're at 80 degrees right now. We're on our way to Oceano Airport. Lynn, I'm not showing her right now. She's asleep and she'd be very mad if I were to show her asleep. So we're going to camp a couple days and report back and see how it is.
Temperature 20 Celsius. Dew point 14 Celsius. Altimeter 2.986 inches of mercury. Oceano County Airport. Automated weather observation 2023 Zulu. Wind 230 at 4 knots. Visibility more than 1.
I smell the ocean air.
Ready to cool down.
Very short runway, 2,300 feet. Not my best. But we still were under the numbers there. Landed on the numbers, so I can't complain about that. Got everything out of the Grumman. Full campsite. Still underweight at full fuel. 2 people. That's what 180 horsepower will do for you. We're parked. Oh, just about set up here. We got the cots. Got the chairs marking the fire pit we want to use. That's our clothes we're going to lock up in the airplane. But there's nobody else out here. Okay, so we arrived, we unloaded, we paid our fees. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 fire pits, 5 picnic benches, but there's really a lot of space for a lot more tents here. So I don't think you ever really have to worry about running out of space and not having enough room. 1 p.m. and the marine layer moved in from blue sky this morning. Zero visibility after about 200-300 feet.
You remember me? Hi. I It just
We're just hanging out, watching the sunset, getting some smoke going, keep the bugs down. Grumman Tiger's parked pretty close to the camping spot. We chose this camping location against the fence line because in the morning when the sun rises, it'll give us just, you know, I don't know, maybe an hour or two of extra shade before it comes full on. You really are 2 blocks away from the ocean, and there are plenty of people that didn't have an off-road vehicle. They're just walking in from a parking spot outside of the off-road park. It was 100 degrees at Cable Airport when we left, and when we landed here in Oceano, an hour and a half later, it was 75 degrees. It felt much cooler because there's a little ocean breeze, and the humidity was a little higher, and it was just fantastic. It was amazing. And the fact that we're able to camp right here on the beach, I mean, I have no idea why we're the only people here on July 5th, the day after 4th of July. There are 4 solid restaurants, a liquor store, and a market within 2 blocks of here. You know, the restroom facilities are clean. There's a little Keurig machine inside the pilot's lounge. I don't know what else you need. There's bicycles for you to rent, or not rent, I mean just use. They're not even charging you for it. The only disadvantage this airport has is that it is only 2,300 feet. And for a lot of people, it makes them nervous. However, 2,300 feet, by the numbers, I mean, it's plenty of runway space. We're leaving with 30 gallons in the tank, 33 gallons, I think. And we're well under max weight. And we're not going to have a problem taking off, you know, within 1,500 feet. And so there's plenty of space for the average aircraft to take off. So you just do your math. That's it. Just make sure that your weight and balance is in order and you're solid. It's no big deal. And there's all those old school legacy hangars.
0.0583 Yankee.
After 2 nights, we packed up and took off, got fuel in Santa Maria. We were delayed a couple of minutes watching the water tankers take off and land. It was certainly the busiest I've ever seen that airport. Either way, it was pretty cool to see. We did a U-turn just short of Santa Barbara because of the smoke. It wasn't forecasted in any of the METARs or WX brief, so on the fly, we did that U-turn and headed towards Bakersfield and returned home through the Gorman Pass. We saw a couple more fires, but either way, we're pretty happy with our trip to Pismo. We hope you go and visit Oceano Airport and give them some business. Thanks.